All right, it's that time of year. Got the new hotness. The new gadget came in. Actually came in pretty soon because it was supposed to be scheduled to be delivered on Wednesday. No, actually on Friday. Then they updated to Wednesday. Then I got a email saying tomorrow. And then this morning I had a tag on my door. And the tag said I missed the package. So I called them. They said they was going to come back before 8 o'clock. They didn't come back. So, well, I didn't want to take any chances. So I called them again. They told me they were coming back tomorrow. So I got an operator on the phone, a representative rather, on the phone, and they held the package for me. So I got it. Now let's see what's inside. All right. I got my, I got the worst razor blades, Jesus. Alright, let's see. That's another receipt. Oh, look at all the goodies with all the accessories. I got that. I always get a pair of headphones. They give you like $250 credit, so I'll make sure I get the headphones. Another fresh set. That. I got a power adapter. Like I said, I had credit, $250. I got a case. And another power adapter. I just tried to spin up all the $250. All right, here comes the bad boy. Here it goes. Look at this. Look at this beauty. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with this guy. Look at this. All right, let's see what we got. Alright, this is it. This is the bad boy right here. Look at this bad boy. Alright, let's see. I must say, I can't wait to take my SIM out of this guy. Like, I'm gonna hold on to it. This could be like my tablet, my little mini for home use. But the honeymoon was over real quick. It was a gimmick, in my opinion. I'm not even too sure about the Z Fold 4 because based on all the leaks, it's going to be the same exact thing. Not sure. Alright, here we go. Cut this bad boy on for the first time. Look at this. Let's see what else comes in the box. You get the SIM ejections tool. You get a box. It's a USB cable inside there. I have like a million of these USB cables. I have a million of these USB cables inside. That's pretty much it. Straightforward. Alright, I'm going to drop my information in there right about now. I always order stuff from Amazon to get an Amazon case. I love these cases right here. hopefully this case fits. Look kind of weird. Anyway, I love these cases right here, mainly because it's rugged, and I like to take my phone in the gym and do some recordings. And I got a little kickstand here, and sometimes I'll place my phone high on stuff and it'll drop. So that's a good thing about these cases. Then I got some screen protectors, which I probably won't use. Alright, I'm transferring my data over right now. It's probably going to take another hour, maybe. Hour or so. Let's see how long this bad boy takes. On second thought, I decided to put the screen protector on. I was thinking that it came with a screen protector, but it didn't. It just had like a thin piece of film that just you had no other choice but to pull it off because they had a little tab on it. So I put it on. It wasn't too difficult. They had like a little video, but it wasn't in English, so I had to watch the pictures and try to figure it out. But it wasn't that difficult. All right, that's it. Everything, all the data is in here. I think it's still doing a little bit of updates, but all the stuff transferred from my Galaxy Fold. Let's see. Yeah, baby, woo! All right. Just have to get the corners. It's probably gonna take a little bit to get on there, but it came out pretty good. Came out real good. All right, let's see. All right. What's this? All right, it moves most of my stuff over. All right, there you go. Still downloading some stuff. It's almost done. Put the case on. See how this bad boy works. I love these cases. Oh, you know how many times I drop? I usually buy 2 at a time because I'll drop them and it'll break, and then I want to wait a few days for the next case. Only bought 1 this time, but I will buy another one. Just keep it in the hole. This is about it. Oh yeah. Yeah, charge it up. This is gonna be my new daily driver right now. All right. Peace out, Fold. Back to the original. I'll probably see the Fold in 2 or 3 years to give it another shot. Okay, yeah, this case actually works pretty well. All right. And this case comes with extra buttons. I guess that's for the tabs on the side, the volume button. Oh, look at it, already starting to pop out already. There you go. Oh, shit. All right, everyone, have a good day. I'm gonna play around with this. Peace out.